Dear friends, today we are going to see how to create the Google Classroom with our Gmail ID. I am Balaji VR from School of Electronics Engineering, VIT Chennai campus. So first step, you have to log in with our Gmail ID. Okay. So I am going to use this mail ID, that is a vitphotonics1 at gmail.com. This is my Gmail ID I am going to use to create the Google Classroom. Taken to the main page. See, you can see right side, you can see the Google apps. You click this Google app, you can find all app, right? So we need to create a classroom. So if you drag down, you will find the Google Classroom app. So just click this classroom. See, you have to continue. See, there is no class so far created with this mail ID. I am going to create a class. In the right side, you can find the plus icon. Two options will be there. One is a join class, another is a create class. Now click the create class. So understand the terms and condition and continue. It asking for class name to create the new classes. So give the class name. Room 11. So I am creating the classroom. You can see the classroom is created and it says the attributes, what are things in the classroom. See, you can find the code here, class code. So this is the code we are going to use to invite our students. See, you can see the code. This is the code you should use to invite your students. See, you have to go to the first stream, classwork and people. Now I am going to show how to link your students with your classroom. See, you have two things. One is the teacher, another is the student. So in students, there is no students so far enrolled, right? So you have to invite your students. So I am inviting. I invited two students to join in this class. I give the invitation. The invitation so far not accepted, right? So just to show the demo, I am going to log out from this mail ID. I am going to sign in with the student mail ID and I am going to join the class. Then we will come back to the same faculty ID. Okay. So I am going to sign out from this page. So I am going to sign in with the student page. See, you can find the invitation from the faculty. So you can join. So you can join in this class. Got it. Now we will sign out from the student ID and we will log in again to our faculty ID. So our faculty ID is vitphotonics1@gmail.com. So go to main page. See, on the right side you will be finding a classroom, right? So go to the classroom. See, one student's enrolled. See, I have given invitation for two students. One is accepted, another student so far not given any response. So now I am going to show how to post the announcement in your class. Okay, you can share the announcement here. That is share something with your class. See, whatever posting here, it will be shown to all students who enroll. See, I have saved some URL. Okay, so I am going to post it here. So you got it. Now see, I am going to share this URL. Refer this link to posted. So it will go to all students. So and also you can put I am going to put another YouTube link. For this. So it also posted, and you can take directly from here also. You can take from Google Drive, link, file, YouTube. Right here you can paste. So search. See, you can find this, and you can see it is posted, right? You can see I have posted YouTube link and website URL, and I have added from the link the YouTube, right? So this is a way to post the announcement in our Google Classroom. And also if you want to change the theme, classroom theme, as you wish, you can change anything, or you can upload some picture also. Okay, so this is a way to create the Google Classroom with a Gmail ID. This is a way to post the announcement in our Google Classroom. This is a way to change the theme in our Google Classroom. Thank you.